Hey everybody, so do y'all want to join me on a little experiment right quick? Now, I bought this little thing of Rub&Buff. So these are paints that a lot of people use, especially on 3D models, to antique them, add a patina and things like that. So I wanted to try that too. So we're going to start with this one. Now, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have a little piece of cardboard here. You know what? I think what I may want to do here is get some gloves. You think? Yeah, Jason, you should have already had those on before you started the video. Yeah, I know. But I forgot. I just ate dinner. I'm in kind of a food coma. My mother-in-law makes this Italian marinara sauce with like spicy Italian sausage and meatballs and all that. Oh my god, it just whew. Anyway, so I'm figuring the way you do this is you get a little puffy brush, you take your what do I want to do? Do I want to do silver or you know what, let's go with this color. And then I'm guessing that I'm going to squeeze a little bit out, and then I'm going to dip it, and then I'm just going to lightly dip the model in it. It's hard to do this trying to look through the camera, so oh, I got paint on my scissors. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze out a little bit there. That's probably way too much, but who cares? I'm an adult. I can do this. So this model is pipe cocks. This is called Holy Death, and I've got this old brush. It should be okay. So I'm going to like try to pull a little bit there, and then we're just going to start like applying it a little bit here. And I'm not trying to get it into all the recesses here. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that. It's coming alive. It's coming alive. Alright, let's see. I'm going to get a little bit more. And let's see. Let's hit these guys a little bit. And oh man, this looks awesome. Sorry I'm not talking, but just mesmerized here. Now I know why everybody does this to 3D prints, because this has an awesome effect. This looks freaking awesome. So, like I said, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, and I'm just kind of making this up as I go. And if I can do it, well then anybody can do it, right? Let's see, I'm going to do the back. Oh man, that is so cool. Sorry, was out of camera focus there. damn awesome. Okay. Yeah. That is really cool. So this model, like I said, is Pipecock's Holy Death. And this was actually printed in carbon fiber PLA. So that's why it kind of has that texture to it as well. But yeah. So I think that's about it, dude. Now I guess you could go lighter or darker, you know, push harder, not as hard, you know, vary it however you want to get the desired effect that you want. But yeah, that came out freaking awesome, dude. That was so easy. And this is it's a wax metallic finish, antique gold is what this one was. And I got this little 4-pack off of Amazon, and it allows you to experiment. You know, it's not terribly expensive, this Rub&Buff, but the larger containers, you know, a little bit more. So, and I think that's about it, dude. So that totally changes that model. Now it has almost like a patina look. It's very, very cool, and I'm sure it'll change even more as it dries. But not much comes off, you know. But I would recommend using gloves. But see, like, now that it's on, see, there's not, and it's got to dry and everything, but yeah, that really brings out details and stuff. God, that's so cool. So there we go, my first attempt at adding kind of a finish, patina, to a 3D print. Pipecock's Holy Death, some Rub&Buff antique gold. I'm also got let's see, what is this? Silver leaf. And then I have, this is ebony. You know what? I think this ebony would probably be good to water down a little bit, and then use it as kind of a, you could also use these probably as kind of a weathering, way of weathering parts and stuff. And then you have gold leaf. So I'm guessing this is the brightest gold. This is more of that, like I said, antique gold. And then you have silver, of course, and then the black ebony. So I'm going to throw all this stuff around. So yeah, grab these on Amazon. Little 4-pack. I think it was less than 20 bucks, something like that. Little 4-pack. But stuff goes a long way. I mean, you saw it was just a little dab, and I essentially covered this whole model in it. So yeah, goes a long way. There you go. Thank you much for my little experiment here. My first time doing it. I didn't even read up on anything. I just did it. So thank y'all.